Hello and welcome. Now in this video, I'm going to show you what you can do in terms of your videos. And assuming then that if you have them inside of system.io, we're going to do here first, we're going to activate the unrestricted rights versions and we're going to activate the other unrestricted rights version. So these are both activated. And what you're going to do is you're going to sell this as a done for your service. So let's say that you took the 20 tutorials from GetResponse. You come here to this area, and what you do is you click the share code. You copy that code to your clipboard. What your customer is going to need to do is they're going to need to go to their account. They're going to need to go to their settings. What they're going to need to do is to go to this place inside. You're going to have to show them how to do this and add a team member. Now, I'm in a second account, so technically I wouldn't need to be added as an assistant, but you're going to need to get your customer to add you as an assistant so that you can work inside of their account. Once you're logged in to their account, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get that share code and you're going to need to click on it so it can then be added to your customer's account. So now by clicking on that share code, the course is now added to your customer's account. And so now they have the videos here. And basically what you're going to do then is you're going to go ahead and set up the funnel for them in order for them to sell the actual product. So instead of just giving them the videos and unrestricted rights, you want to go ahead and use the share codes for the funnels, and then set up the product for them to sell, and you want to charge accordingly. So that's the easy way of adding a product to their account and setting it up for them, and then charging them accordingly. Now, your customer is going to need additional training on how to use System.io, and we actually have a 4-course series. We have what's called the Expertise Monetization Playbook, and that's actually 4 courses that are all about System.io. And so your customer would then have the videos that they would need in order to operate the platform. And you can use these either by training them or you can sell them the training if they choose to allow you to set up their product. And of course, you have resale rights to these videos. Now, to get our 4-course series on System.io, you can get it at theplrshow.com/EMPB. And to get your own System.io platform account, you can get that at theplrshow.com/system.io. And of course, your customer will need to get the same platform. And the benefit of that is when they get it through your link, you'll be paid a recurring commission. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.